What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the invalid SSL certificate issue that you may be getting on Steam. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this invalid SSL certificate Steam issue, so the first thing you want to do is make sure your time is actually properly connected to your computer. You'd be surprised if you go to your search bar, just type in date and time until you see this page pop up. First, make sure it is on set automatically, and if it is where it says set time automatically, make sure you press sync now, because a lot of times the time isn't synced. It could be days off, so you want to make sure it is being appropriately and properly synced. So doing this will fix a lot of these issues. So I would highly recommend you to basically try this and then go from there. If you've done this and it doesn't work, the next thing to do is go to your search bar and just type in network reset to reset your basically literally network. It is going to reinstall all your network adapters. It's entirely possible that your network is what's causing this issue and it's not working because of this. If this also does not work, the next thing you want to do is go back to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. In here, right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm connected via Ethernet, and click into properties. Then click into where it says Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Then click into properties and change it from automatic into use the following DNS server address, and change it to 1.1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, restart your computer. You guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please thumbs up, guys, the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.